Good morning, Fox Pack. Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to another acid tree. It is 4:38 a.m. It's fall's approaching because it's still dark out at this time of morning. Usually in the middle of summer, it's starting to get light, but no, not anymore. So when I'm up early, you probably already know what's about to go down. We are meeting up with my guy, Moogie, and today's a very, very special day. And he's hype, I'm hype, and he is getting his new car delivered today, actually. So we're gonna go check it out and get his reaction. He's really, really excited. I'm so happy for Moogie, and I'm also really, really excited because it's just gonna bring a lot of content to CLC, and it's gonna make some great videos with this, and yeah, it's just gonna be fun, and it's just cool to see him get his dream car already. All right, so let's get the cold start in, and I do believe my neighbor is home. So look how bright that courtesy light is. It's literally shining up on my face. That's ridiculous. Alright, so here's my trick to these early morning cold starts, because this thing is beyond loud. Close the door, which isn't smart, but this is what I do. I have to do. And then we start, and don't leave the door closed long, of course. Just wait for the automatic choke to kick out. It doesn't seem that loud on the inside of the car, but believe me, it is loud. Let's crack the windows. That window's getting slow. I'm sure it has something to do with me breaking this. If you haven't seen that video and you want to get a laugh, definitely check it out. All right, let's get that seatbelt on. Safety first, because you know safety is my #1 concern. Yeah, I just love the smell of catless exhaust in the morning. I actually have butterflies in my stomach. Like, man, I'm really excited. Close up the door. Look how bright those taillights are. So I guess the game plan is we're gonna meet up at his house, and then we're gonna head to the dealership. Thought it was getting delivered to his house originally, but I guess now it's getting delivered to the dealer. All right, this is really freaking annoying and dangerous. Oh boy, I'm gonna cop. Let me put this camera down, I guess. And in fact, that was a cop.
Oh yeah, did Alex see what I did when I was here with Edgar and them? Oh my god, this fucking idiot, bro. He goes, yeah man, I won't swing it, He's like, bet. He goes in his car, in the intersection, where cars around him, he does a full fucking donut.
So we made it to my guy Moogie's house.
So nice.
Kind of see him. You excited, bro?
Yeah.
This guy's like smiling ear to ear constantly.
Dude, I'm telling you, it didn't hit me until after. Like, I seen my car on the trailer, and like just today, it just hit me like right now, like not even 30 minutes ago. I'm like, man, this is fucking...
literally like 4 or 5 hours ago, it was like 12 o'clock. I was like, come on man, 5 hours. It's 5 hours. And I was like, oh shit, I only got no sleep. And I thought we had to be up by 5. He said, no, you gotta be up by like 4. I'm like, dang, 4:30.
I was up a quarter to 4.
I was up 4:40, boy. Brushed it in my teeth. Tasting toothpaste for some reason, tasting doopy right now.
Yeah, I'm really excited too. Like, I got butterflies, and it's like, it's not even my thing.
Dude, that's how I am about
the whole drive here, wallah, my stomach's flipping upside down. I'm like, dang.
Bro, that's how it was about your car. That's so weird. I swear to God, when you got your Eagle Boost, like I was like all happy and shit.
Bro, I was like, no, I'm not driving. I was like, oh. I said, well, I was like, bro, I wouldn't be surprised if I just threw up because of how happy I was.
What the fuck?
When you sent me the picture of the key, or I think it was Billy that sent me the picture of the key, I thought it was a 5.0, like legitimately. And then you told me it was an EcoBoost. I'm like, oh shit.
Fucking stupid.
The EcoBoost surprised people, bro.
No, dude, it's way better than I thought.
It's so
like,
weird,
honestly.
Like mid-shift, when you shift from first to second, he gets fucking wheel spin.
Yeah.
And then you shift from second to third, there's more wheel spin. I'm like, how the fuck does that? Imagine like the 10-speed and the 5.0. Imagine how much wheel spin you get in that.
Literally from first to second, and then you get from second to third.
Yeah.
Third to fourth. And then fourth to fifth, you just feel the jerk.
Yeah.
All right, so we're getting out of here. Hopefully we'll get some more daylight because it's very, very dark. And dude, we're about to do it. Blurry as hell.
Oh, Chuki. Oh my god, dude, what the fuck? That doesn't feel real. How'd the clutch feel?
You know how far I drove it? From there to there. I mean, that's all I do. I don't, car's got 3 miles on it, I take a picture of the odometer when I get it. And I gotta reaffirm clutch back.
Holy fuck, you guys. What the fuck, dude? Holy shit. Dude, it's...
Oh, dude.
Holy
Dude,
fuck.
yeah,
Dude.
let's go. Oh my god. Holy shit. Dude.
Dude, the startups are so fucking the idling, dude. We literally pulled up and the guy's like, yeah man, there's a shooting monster right there. He's like, yeah man, I literally heard 2 shots and somebody just loaded a 9.
Oh my god, dude.
We're all over that block. Oh yeah. You just stole it, okay. Nice color package on your car with the wow.
You got it. Dude! Holy shit.
You got burbled, bro. Bro, I gotta get a feel for this clutch. It's so weird. It's very like notchy.
Dude, that's loud.
Hey, bust it. You know what I see in here? Applebee's, bro.
Yeah? Holy shit, that is loud. That's so loud for stock. Alright, so little break from the Camaro. We just did the DIY vent to atmosphere mod on the EcoBoost Mustang.
Oh my god, you can still hear it.
You gotta hear this shit. Yo. Dude, that sounds dope.
It sounds insane.
Dude, it literally didn't cost anything.
Free.
It was completely free. Wait till you guys see how we did this. It's so ghetto, but it works. But it's just temporary. We're gonna do it right. But we just wanted to get it going for today. Dude, that lady just looked at you.
Whoa, that's a new sound I'm gonna have to start doing. Wait, does it do it in manual when I downshift the thing? Or if I hit the gas?
Oh yeah, it will. It will.
Oh my god. Gotta show that Subaru boss.
I knew you would do that too.
Oh, roadkill.
Look at his reaction.
Ready? What the fuck? Why did this stop? It's so
Dude,
good though.
you should see the way we did this shit.
Oh
it's
my
like
God,
redneck ingenuity at its finest.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at knob off of a fireplace cleaning tool.
Stuffed it in the hose and taped over. It fucking works.
You're gonna need like lots of power. Why is this hood so fucking heavy? I paid $700 for it.
I told him about this.
I bet. I paid $700 for intake. She's like, yeah? He fucking goes and buy $100 fucking intakes that do the exact same fucking
we bought $5 duct tape in this bitch, buddy. Don't you worry.
Ball valves plus 300. He's like, nah, man, I'll make my own ball valves. You don't need $300 for ball valves.
It doesn't sound bad at all.
Is it inline fork head?
You guys, it's about a week later. We've just been really busy, so haven't done the ride along yet, but we're gonna be doing it today. And reshooting the cinematic shots because they turned out like crap in typical Silver Fox style. Alright guys, time's come. My first time riding in the 1LE. Got my guy Moogie here.
What's up, y'all?
The proud owner.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Fuck my ass. Alright then. Oddly enough, I was just in the Mustang. It fucking pulls.
Probably not as good as the G, but it pulls.
Oh,
Wow.
you would have got
Wow,
fucked in the
I really
ass.
would have got fucked in the ass. Wow. Hopefully he doesn't pull me over. If we do this going on CLC. No,
Yeah, I got you. Won't forget about the cop.
Oh yeah, dude, I fucking forgot.
Yeah. Fuck's sake. Well, you know what I always say, it's an acid tree. Oh,
It's
God.
a fun car. It's a very fun car.
Dude, those downshifts sound so crispy.
Enjoy it?
Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
I got you.
So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. This is the new Camaro SS 1LE. My guy Moogie, congrats, bro.
Stay tuned for the vlogs, man.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe to CLC because obviously this car and more G content. But yeah, that was a ton of fun.
Yeah, I dug myself a hole with this fucking car.
Once again, shout out to my guy Moogie. Make sure you subscribe to CLC and
Yeah, you already know.
yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Fox Pack today, hit the bell notifications to be notified when we do something stupid. Follow the official racing club at Silver Fox Racing Group and me on Instagram at SilverFox G37 so you can see all the behind the scenes of the acid tree.
Can I say the Stay Foxy thing?
Yeah. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck and it's only legal if we get caught.
Stay Foxy.